What if the person you're meant to be is begging you to let go of who you were? That past self, the one stuck in comfort, is holding back your true power. Imagine a caterpillar clinging to its familiar leaf, terrified of the chrysalis. Yet inside, a magnificent butterfly yearns to break free. That's your spirit, demanding change. We've all felt that inertia, that fear of the unknown, telling us it's safer to stay small, to repeat old patterns, even if they no longer serve us. But real strength isn't avoiding the struggle. It's embracing the uncomfortable cocoon, knowing that every tear, every doubt, fuels your metamorphosis. Are you going to die as a caterpillar, or will you choose the exhilarating, terrifying flight of a butterfly, spreading your unique wings? Think of athletes who transform their bodies, artists who redefine their craft, or individuals who rebuild their lives after loss. It's never easy. This isn't about perfection. It's about persistent evolution. Every small step out of your old skin is a victory, a testament to your courage. So, shed that old narrative. Take one uncomfortable step today towards the person you envision. Sign up, start that project, have that tough conversation. Because your personal transformation isn't just for you. It sends ripples, inspiring others to believe in their own power to become, to grow. It's time to unfurl your wings. The world is waiting for the brilliant, transformed you. So, will you fly?